Caterpillar Condo for Title I Classrooms program serves teachers and students in Title I schools by bringing nature directly into their classroom with a live monarch caterpillar, and it's supported by a digital curriculum where they learn about metamorphosis and the monarch migration and citizen science. Blooming with Birdie has technically been in existence for 3 years, but our first program, Caterpillar Condos, is actually going into our 4th year because it's what started the whole company.
Valero has been a supporter of the Caterpillar Condo program for 4 years now. At Valero, we are committed stewards of the environment, and we're also good neighbors. We give back to the communities where we live and work to improve the quality of life.
Our students loved the research, so without us being in Title I, without Valero's donation to innovative programs such as Blooming with Birdie, students at Title I campuses would not have robust educational opportunities such as this.
Thanking the butterflies for being a part of our lives so far in their journey.
We use our mind to be curious and ask questions. We use our heart to care about the natural world around us, and we use our body to record and share information.
A mí me encantan los videos de Blooming with Birdie porque también están en español y eso es clave. Tiene mucha información y muchas actividades.
Introducing the Caterpillar has just been a transformative experience for everybody in my class. Everyone has had the opportunity to witness something that they've never actually seen in person before and to really learn so much.
So the starting is the egg and it starts hatching. Whenever it starts hatching, it turns into these itty bitty cute caterpillars and it starts eating and it makes holes like this. Mi parte favorita es cuando se convirtió en un capullo. It opens into a butterfly, and we got to see it emerge, one of them emerge.
At Valero, we know that tomorrow is built on the actions we take today, the things we do right now. As such, we are so proud to continue in our relationship with Blooming with Birdie to provide Caterpillar condos and associated hands-on STEM education for underserved children and students here in San Antonio.
She came back!
We would not have been able to have this program without Valero.
Thank you, Valero.
Thank you, Valero.
It's really nice to have you in our class.